The hottest fashion trends of 2024, wearable and chic. Fashion has never been more vibrant and versatile than it was in 2024. As designers and influencers combine innovation with wearable, timeless appeal, the style has reached new levels of accessibility, comfort, and elegance. This year, fashion is not just about what looks good, it's about what feels good and what resonates with the spirit of the times. Here's a rundown of the top fashion trends taking over 2024, showcasing the best of wearable and chic looks that make it easy for everyone to join in on the season's most sought-after styles. 1. Tech-enhanced clothing. One of the biggest movements of 2024 is the rise of tech-integrated fashion. This year has seen an influx of smart clothing that combines technology with functionality. These tech-enhanced pieces go beyond fitness trackers and now feature clothes with built-in temperature control, self-cleaning fabrics, and even wireless charging capabilities for devices. Brands are tapping into high-tech solutions for materials and design, producing fashion that responds to its environment and the wearer's needs. This trend not only looks sleek and futuristic but is also incredibly practical, providing comfort and convenience in ways traditional fabrics cannot. 2. Eco-friendly couture. Sustainability continues to drive the fashion industry, and in 2024, eco-conscious style has elevated to couture status. Designers are moving towards organic fabrics, recycled materials, and low-waste processes to create collections that are both luxurious and kind to the planet. Plant-based leathers, recycled polyester, and innovative fabrics made from fruit waste or algae are increasingly popular, offering a chic yet sustainable aesthetic. Eco-friendly clothing has transcended being a niche market, becoming an essential part of mainstream fashion, as consumers increasingly prioritize ethical choices without compromising on style. 3. Soft tailoring. For everyday. Gone are the days of stiff, boxy blazers and trousers. This year, tailoring has softened, offering a relaxed silhouette that blends structure with ease. Soft tailoring, characterized by oversized blazers, fluid trousers, and waist-defining belts, brings an air of sophistication to any outfit without sacrificing comfort. Designers have embraced fabrics like soft wool blends, linen, and even knitwear to create suiting options that feel like loungewear but look polished. Perfect for the office, dinner, or even a casual day out, soft tailoring gives a modern twist to classic fashion. 4. Playful patterns and prints. Fashion in 2024 celebrates bold self-expression, and one of the easiest ways to embrace this is through patterns and prints. From graphic checks to vibrant florals and abstract art-inspired motifs, statement prints are having a major moment. Color blocking with unexpected combinations, like deep blues and oranges or subtle pastels and metallics, is popular in everything from streetwear to evening gowns. For those looking to make a subtle statement, smaller, retro-inspired prints in earthy colors offer a playful yet elegant touch. 5. Statement outerwear. Outerwear has truly taken center stage this year. With a focus on voluminous, attention-grabbing silhouettes, statement coats, jackets, and trenches are some of the hottest pieces of the season. Puffer coats with exaggerated shoulders, shearling-lined biker jackets, and oversized trench coats in unexpected materials like satin and leather are dominating fashion runways and streets alike. The 2024 motto for outerwear is simple: go big or go home. These pieces are both functional and fashion-forward, making them the perfect investments for anyone looking to make a bold entrance. 6. Ultra-minimalist aesthetics. While statement pieces are in, minimalist styles are equally trending for their timeless appeal and understated chic. A shift towards capsule wardrobes means fewer but higher quality items that can be mixed and matched. Neutral colors, monochromatic outfits, and clean lines define this minimalist trend. Brands are focusing on quality fabrics like cashmere, silk, and fine cotton to create staples that are both luxurious and versatile. Think simple, tailored trousers, crisp white shirts, and streamlined coats that make a quiet statement of elegance. 7. The rise of gender-fluid fashion. Gender-neutral fashion has seen remarkable growth in recent years, and in 2024, it has become a mainstream trend, breaking down the barriers of traditional gendered clothing. Designers are creating unisex collections with a focus on inclusivity, allowing individuals to explore fashion without constraints. Oversized fits, relaxed silhouettes, and a palette of neutral tones make it easy for anyone to feel comfortable and stylish, regardless of gender. This movement is not only a style statement but also a step toward greater representation and freedom in the fashion world. 8. Bold footwear choices. Shoes have taken on a life of their own this year, with bold designs making footwear the focal point of many outfits. Chunky loafers, colorful sneakers, and boots with unique embellishments are some of the standouts. Knee-high and over-the-knee boots in bright colors and unique materials like patent leather and satin are particularly popular, allowing individuals to play with different styles and lengths. Meanwhile, platform heels and sneakers bring a retro vibe to the forefront, making a comeback as fashion-forward and functional choices for all-day wear. 9. Sheer and layered fabrics. Layering has become an art form in 2024, with sheer fabrics being used to add dimension and intrigue to everyday looks. Dresses, skirts, and tops made from sheer materials like organza, tulle, and lace are layered over solid undergarments or other fabrics for a look that's both daring and sophisticated. This style gives an ethereal, almost dream-like quality to the outfit, combining elements of high fashion with an effortlessly chic vibe. It's a perfect choice for those who want to experiment with layers and textures without committing to one specific style. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Drop a comment with your thoughts. And I'll see you in the next one.